Lesson 2. Cell. Koshika. Cell is the basic unit of life. This study of cell is known as cytology. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. All living organisms can be categorized as unicellular, bacteria, or multicellular, plants, animals. Mainly, cells are of two types. 1. Prokaryotic cell. They do not have well-developed nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Example, archaebacteria. 2. Eukaryotic cell. They have well-developed nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Example, plants and animals. Cells together forms tissue. Tissue together form organ. Organ together forms organ system. Organ system together forms organism. Cell, tissue, organ, organ system, organism. Structure of cell. The cell comprises of following three basic components. Opening, cell membrane, organ, cytoplasm, ribosome, organ body, nucleus, olar. Certain things to pass through it. It is made up of mainly lipid, phospholipid, and proteins. It acts as barrier in between external and internal environment. Lipid and proteins are important from normal functioning of the cell. Structure of cell membrane. To explain the nature and function of cell membrane, various model has been given. 1. Danieli and Davidson model. 2. Unit membrane model. 3. Robertson's model. 4. Lipid bilayer model. 5. Fluid mosaic model. However, out of these given model, fluid mosaic model is most accepted one. The fluid mosaic model was given by S.J. Singer and G.L. Nicholson in 1972. Proteins are embedded in lipid bilayer as mosaic manner. Proteins head lipid bilayer, tail 2 layers of lipid, head hydrophilic, जो पानी के पास रहना पसंद करे, tail nonpolar, hydrophobic, पानी. The following phrase, experiments of the viscosity of the membrane show that it has fluid consistency. This fluidity allows movement of lipid and protein within it. It is semi-permeable membrane, therefore also known as selective permeable membrane. It allows some selective solvent to pass through it. Cytoplasm. Cell consists of cytoplasm which is enclosed within the cell. The cytoplasm includes various organelles present inside the cell. Therefore, these organelles referred as cytoplasmic organelles. Basically, cytoplasm is a fluid in which cell organelles remain suspended. Mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi body, cell membrane. This is the cytoplasm, nucleus. Functions of cytoplasm. Important function performed by cytoplasm is protein synthesis, anaerobic glycolysis, and cell reproduction. Cytoplasm, comma, cytosol, cytoplasmic organelles, cytoplasmic inclusion, cytosol. Cytosol refers to the fluid present in them. This fluid contains cytoplasmic organelles. Most of the cell metabolism take place in cytosol. Cytoplasmic organelles. Cell consists of specialized organelles, that is mitochondria Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, ER, lysosome, etc. They have specific characteristic, which helps in maintaining the life. ER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough RER, sarcoplasmic reticulum, SR. Most of the eukaryotic organism contains a double mem. Mitochondria also have a matrix in which fluid is present. This fluid contains enzymes which are involved in Krebs cycle to oxidize fatty acid and pyruvic acid. The main function of mitochondria is to perform aerobic respiration for the functioning of the cell. Mitochondria perform detoxification in liver cells. Diagram: outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae, and the Golgi bodies It is makeup of folds and stacking of membrane. Coin stacking. It is comprises of 5 to 8 cup-shaped series of compartments known as cisternae. Each cisternae carry Golgi enzyme. Function of Golgi bodies in help in modifying, sorting, and packaging of substances within the cell. They also help in modification of proteins. It help in transportation of substances. These organelles, too, also helps in excreting of excess amount of water. Lysosomes. Lysosome was discovered b. Lysosomes originated from the Golgi apparatus. Lysosomes vary in size. It ranges from 0.1 to 1.2 mm, micrometer. Functions of lysosomes. It provide defense against invading microorganism. It help to dissolve blood clot. It cause the sperm to penetrate the ovum. It help in restoration of bones. It help in reabsorption of water and small molecules in kidney and urinary bladder. Mature RBC and dead organelles are decomposed by the lysosome. Therefore, it is known as suicidal bags. It engulf damaged cellular organisms. Ribosomes. They are most important cell organelles as they are composed of RNA and protein that convert genetic code into amino acid chain. They are specialized organelles that are found both in prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells. It is also known as protein factory of the cell. Function of ribosomes. It help in the synthesis of protein. It help in assembling of the amino acid to form P. Cytoplasmic inclusion. Certain bodies are present within the cell but are unable to perform their own metabolic process. These structures also lack membrane binding them. It includes nutrients like glycogen, lipid, carbohydrate, and water-containing vacuole, etc. 3. Nucleus Robert Brown is a spherical-shaped organelle, which is present in all eukaryotic cell. Nucleus is a double-layered membrane-bound organelle. Nucleus is also known as the control center of the cell. The structure of nucleus includes nuclear membrane, chromosome, nucleoplasm, and nucleolus. The cavity of the nucleus is filled up by the specialized form of liquid known as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, different from cytoplasm, as it contains adequate amount of some specific basic protein, histone, or protamines. The nucleus of the cell has nucleolus, also known as nucleoli. Nucleolus help us in the storage of protein and RNA. Nucleus provide the site of transcription in which messenger RNA is produced for protein synthesis. DNA, replication. DNA, mRNA, transcription. mRNA, protein, translation. Most of the activities of a cell is controlled by the nucleus.